gosh, every one of you party animals. I'll tell you what, my gosh, what a day yesterday. We were swamped out here with the water. I want to say thank you for all of your time and your patience yesterday. We really, really appreciate it, okay? Guys, I got to thank a couple of people before we get rocking and rolling. We're going to get smoking out with this, okay? But you know what, we're going to thank them a little bit. Let's just get right into our top 75. You guys ready with some trophies? Woo! Top 75, okay? And then I'm going to introduce you to some very key people here, all right? So here we go. We're going to start with top 75. Real quick, okay? So here's the deal. Where's Mary Shuttle? Mary Shuttle, Mary, where's my hand? Where's she at? Mary. Get up here. Guys, isn't she beautiful? Huh? World's greatest handler. Okay, you're gonna hand it to me one at a time. Put your drink down. Jeez. Just when you thought your work was done for the day, right? Guys, give her a round of applause. Woo! Interesting. Phenomenal day. This show does not happen without these two, okay? We're gonna talk about that a little bit, all right? Guys, I'm gonna whip through these very quickly. I need an empty box, please. There's one right there. Perfect. All right. Joe, when I'm done, I'm gonna put them right in here, okay? All right, cool beans. All right, here we go. Guys, these are the top 75 trophies based on points and judging, okay? So some of the judges are like ninjas. A lot of you guys are asking, hey, my truck was a judge, my car was a judge. Trust me, they went through, okay? The reason we were delayed with the judging today, if you were here yesterday, you already know. It had a lot to do with the lightning, okay? Guys, for your safety and for theirs, we had to put a stop to everything, and that's what we did, okay? So a lot of the judging had to continue today, and that's why we were a little bit delayed. So we apologize for that, but Mother Nature, I personally have a love-hate relationship with her, and this weekend, it was not the love, okay? It was not the love. All right, so here we go. Now, I'm going to say your names to the best of my ability, okay? And by the way, isn't it great that my voice has to compete with an airplane right now? Isn't that just perfect timing, okay? I'm going to say the names. I'm going to mess some of these up, so I do apologize in advance, okay? All right, top 75, in no particular order. We're going to go through these real quick. Vehicle number 20 was a Ford F-250 by Luke Kerr? Are you here? Luke, where are you at, buddy? Make some noise. Come on up here. I'm going to have you sit here, okay? All right, next top 75 was Jim Catrine. Jim Catrine, where are you at? Woo! You want to pop Jim Catrine. Hey guys, big volunteer for us this weekend, okay? Hand restored by himself. Roundup Restoration, 1957 Chevrolet. Outstanding, okay? We love you, Papa Jim. We love you a lot. Truck, vehicle number 29, Aiden Thames. Aiden, where are you at? Where are you at, top 75? Woo! Oops, sorry. Go right over there, you can get it, okay? Vehicle number 27, Al Cope, right? Right, Cope, Al, there you are, okay. Congratulations. Again, top 75, Jason Bautista. Jason Bautista, where are you at? Top 75, congratulations. Jason, right over there, go get your top 70. Wow, the line is piling up. Guys, quit flirting with the ladies. Quit asking them for their phone numbers. All right, next top 75. Oh, Austin Boe.
Yeah!
Continuing on with the top 75. Vehicle number 151, a Jeep Wrangler. Nathan Duran, are you here? Where is he at? All right, congratulations. And by the way, we've said this from the very beginning. You do not need to be present to win. If you do not win your trophy, we will make sure we will do our best to get that to you. But if you guys have a friend that won and is not here, help us out by letting us know that, okay? Help us out by letting us know that. All right, next one is Alex Fenter. It is 2,500. Alex, all right, congratulations. All right, moving on is Ed Kulek. Are you here, Ed? Make some noise, Ed. All right. You here? We got him? All right, cool names. Congratulations. Okay, here we go. John McLennan. Are you here? Woo! I don't see there a John? We got a John? No John? John? We have a John. All right, good deal. Okay, sounds good. We got a lot of porta johns with them. Okay, this one is a very special top 75, all right? Are you ready? Here we go.
Tristan Gray.
Tristan Gray, congratulations. He's the guy with the purple Mustang. He converted it from a front engine to a mid-engine. You guys gotta go check that out. He did that in like a year. The whole thing by himself. Wait, not by himself. He had his beautiful girlfriend. Okay, here we go. All right, next one. Vehicle number 160. Lester O'Gaffey. O'Gaffey. The Ford Raptor. Lester, he's here at the Octane. Where's he at? There he is. Why could I not recognize your last name, bro? Hey guys, at the Octane, okay? Big supporter of the LaSalle County Streetcars and Star Rock National. Thanks for coming. Thank you. Welcome. Appreciate it.
Congratulations.
Tony Tuttle, where you at, Tony? In that beautiful Chevy Monte Carlo SS, where you at? Tony Tuttle, there he is, right there. Wonderful, very beautiful car. Top 75. Guys, you know him, you love him. It's Lester in the Lamborghini. Come on, back around, make a lap. All right, over there, Lester in the Lamborghini. Congratulations.
Oh, yeah.
I think that Lester bought the cool car so he can hang out with the cool chicks. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. Continuing out with the top 75. Robert Waterfield. Robert Waterfield, are you here? We have Robert Waterfield. A-Wall. He's there. We'll make sure he gets his award, okay? Debbie Spradling, are you here with a Ford Thunderbird at 64 Ford? There we go. Beautiful car, beautiful car. Okay. Number 178, you know him, you love him. Jerry Cox, where's he at? Jerry, you still here? Jerry left. Okay, we'll make sure he gets his award. Thank you. George and Cindy Lamb, are you guys here? Where's George Lamb at? That beautiful wagon. Is he here? He was here. Where's he at? George, my man. Guys, hey, without this, congratulations, buddy. Guys, give him a big round of applause for this guy. Big streetcars. Things would not be where we're at if it wasn't this guy here. We got an award. You want to give it to pretty ladies. You don't want to be by me. All right, thank you, George. We really appreciate you, buddy. Really appreciate you. Next, top 75, James Harlan. James Harlan, are you here? James Harlan. James Harlan. Okay, we'll make sure you get your award. Okay, next is Jason Dean. Jason Dean, United States Military. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. And he brought his bodyguard with him. All right, all right. Okay, next. James Harlan. James Harlan, got here? Right there you go. We can pull that off. James Harlan showed up, okay? Chad Logan! You know him, you love him. Hey, he will literally smoke your car, okay? Where's he at, Chad? I know he's here somewhere. Chad, guys, this is him. He's with Star Rock Cigars. He's right over here. He's a vendor of ours. He did really, really cool. Very cool. There he is. Oh, no, you're not. Oh, really? You just want to be with the pretty ladies? Yeah, you do. All right. Okay. Is that Josie or Jose? Josie Hard in a car number 110, Team Shockwave. They've got a Jaguar. Oh, yeah. And there she is. Why did I screw that up? I appreciate you. Thank you. All right, there we go. Top Keith Lang. Keith Lang. It sounds like a country star. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll take it to stage. Keith Lang is not.
So the award ceremony is over. I couldn't film the entire thing. There were some things that we wanted to keep private, but I got a personal shout out at the end by Dominick Crum. If that isn't cool, I don't know what is. I didn't win anything and neither did Lucky, but all around fun experience. Hope you enjoy the videos as much as I do, at least as much as I do making them. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit that bell, toss me a like or two. That's all you gotta do. It helps me out tremendously. I appreciate every single one of you. Love the weekend, love having everyone out here. Thanks to the vendors, thanks to the people who came. Anyways, this is Bo's Garage signing off.